In this video, we're going to show you some of the nighttime entertainment at the Disneyland Resort, including the all-new Shadows of Memory, a Skywalker Saga, back in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and we'll also enjoy the World of Color dessert party at California Adventure. But to start it all off, we'll take you on a tour of our room at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. This is a standard room which includes 2 queen beds. There's plenty of room for luggage underneath the beds. I love some of these Disney touches throughout. Here's a look at the bathroom area with 2 sinks. Here's the entryway. We had a connecting room with my sister's family. This couch actually turns into a sofa sleeper at night. I love that Bambi picture. And most rooms have a balcony of some sort. Clearly my nephew and niece were pretty excited about the rooms, and also enjoyed the robes. Because of the season of the Force, they had a fun display in the lobby.
The whole Death Star is made of Rice Krispie treats.
And plenty of different Star Wars treats available to buy. But now we're gonna head back to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge so we can see the new projection show for our first time. All right, it's our first time seeing the new projection show back here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, so we'll let you know what we think once it's done.
Tonight, I invite you to join me around the fire of memory for a tale of prophecy. The story of a destiny fulfilled, a darkened curse. There was prophecy about this boy, that much was clear. The boy matures. The son must battle the father. In the name of resistance, speak the name Skywalker. 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 Skywalker.
This show was amazing. Everyone in my family really liked it. We all said this is something we definitely want to see again. The projections were so realistic, even though you know it's projections, at times it felt like it was actually something real happening in front of you. Also during this trip we got to enjoy the World of Color dessert party. We had made reservations beforehand, but then you check in near the Water Wheel, over by Grizzly River Run, and over by Little Mermaid. They'll give you wristbands. This is the seating area before they let us all in. And then about an hour before your show, they guide you to your seat. Let me show you the treats we got so far. We got this Mickey Funfetti Bundt Cake. We have a Mickey Rice Krispie treat. We have a World of Color shortbread. We have some brie cheese, some grapes, different cheeses here, a macaroon, and a little cheesecake. So yeah, looking good. We have some mocktails and some hot chocolate. And what did you get, buddy?
A Sprite.
My niece also liked the party. What did you like the best?
Grapes.
The grapes. She's a big fan of the grapes. Right, we are just wrapping up our dessert portion of the dessert party. It was all very good. I think the little bundt cake was my favorite, and the mocktail was very good. Plus, I think you had fans of the cheeses and the crackers and grapes. So, but my nephew, because he is a younger one, he got a special treat with it. What did you get, buddy?
This Pixar ball. They took away the light-up cup, so instead they replaced it with a Pixar ball.
Yep, in years past they used to have a light-up ball that they would give, a drink ball, but this year it's a Pixar one. And we talked to the lady, and when World of Color Happiness starts in another month or two, they're changing the dessert party up a little bit where everyone will get kind of a special takeaway. She said it's not like that, but maybe a little pin or something like that, so we'll have to see what that's like when they release more information. But we are ready for the show, so let's check it out.
R2-D2, where are you? Oh my, I'd forgotten how much I hate space travel.
So we finished up with the World of Color dessert party. It was so delicious, so much fun. I really do love that show every time, and having the seats to watch it makes it so nice. Tomorrow we are going to be spending some more time at Californian Adventure and maybe a little time at Disneyland. This is just a quick trip overall, but a wonderful time. Absolutely love the show tonight. Had so much fun on the attractions today. Overall, a very fun day. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable. If you did, give a like, and consider subscribing because my hope is always to make your next Disney adventure a little bit more magical with tips and tricks, food reviews, and news. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see y'all again real soon. Bye.